come, my friend, look my shop. Come on. You, where are you from? Beautiful lady, beautiful Shakira. You want to see? Look.
How much?
I make you good price. Is you buy many? I mean, you could look into my shop. Where you from? You look
Austria.
so beautiful, lady. Austria. How much is gamma in Austria?
What?
Is gamma. How much is gamma in Austria? Is gamma.
I don't know.
Come into my shop. Come look, beautiful touch, quality. You can buy cheap. $1 dinar. Every piece. I make you good price if you buy many. Yes. Look perfect on you.
How much?
You buy it?
Maybe.
You buy it. Come on. Yes, you want it. I give
Maybe.
you.
How much?
I give you back. You buy these two. I give it in a bag. I give this in a bag.
How much?
Yes.
Yeah,
we make.
How much?
No. We make good price. Don't worry, young lady. It's very cheap, very good tourist. Don't worry. Yes. Oh, beautiful lady. That's so great. Take it.
But how much?
It is for Americans 200 dinars. But you beautiful lady, wonderful, is 120. You take this with you, yes, you like it. It's so beautiful on you, Shakira, yes. 120.
But no, that's too much.
120, come on.
No,
You take a camel, one is $1 dinar, I give you 3 dinars. You take it with you 3 dinars, 100. I make you good price, come on.
How much?
100 dinars.
No,
How much you want to pay? How much?
Yeah, I pay €3 for this. And you want to serve?
Tell me how much you want to pay for this. Tell me how much you want to pay for this.
20.
Young lady, Shakira is so nice. 20 dinars is nothing, you know. For us, we have to work. I have to sit here all day and then with the tourists and so say another price. Not 20, not 30, your last price, tell me.
40.
Ah, okay.
No.
88 dinars, because it's you.
No.
88 dinars I give you.
8?
80 dinars.
No, that's too much.
Okay, come here. No. Come back, Shakira, come back.
It's too much.
I make you a good price. You buy many pieces. I give you. Because it's you 78 dinars.
I said 20 first.
78.
No, that's too much.
It's good price. So
No.
say your last price. Not 20, not 30. What is your last price?
31.
Shakira.
But that's too much.
Okay, it's too much. Okay, I give you this. You like this? 60 dinars. Come on, take it. I give you another bag. You take this and you bring it to your tent. I give you one of these 60.
But I don't need it.
Yeah, but the 60 dinars is cheap.
Yeah, but
Yes.
no.
Yes, it makes sound. It's for your Europeans. Yes. Okay.
And what about the shoe?
Okay, lady. 50 dinars. 50 dinars.
No. Maybe tomorrow. I just want to look and you
Why not buy in my shop? Why I want to go other shop? Why not buy in my shop? 50 dinars. It's cheap.
No, it's not.
Why are you looking? I give you so many, so good prices. You know what to pay. You
It's plastic.
stupid Europeans. Go out of my shop.